Let's invite to the kitchen those who are in the frying pan today, inviting Everson, followed by Calvin, Clopas, and Tino. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm trying to look around and see who's smiling, who's not. Hi, Calvin.
Hi, how are you?
How are you feeling?
I am so good today.
Welcome to Chew On, the show that links people, food, and culture whilst giving you a diverse culinary experience. Chew On, the Cook More Challenge is proudly brought to you by the producers of by far the best premium extra long grain rice on the market. Konapo, ipapo, ipapo.